Hey everyone, excited for today's video because there are some new college programs that are really fast that I'm going to introduce you to. We're going to be talking about South College. Now, South College has been around for a long time, but they have some competency-based education programs. They've been really making strides here. They're fast and you can earn degrees very, very quickly. And it's a pretty cool school. If you don't know who I am, my name's Ryan. I earned a bachelor's degree in 9 months, basically in my free time, and now I teach other people how to earn college degrees faster. We're going to review South College and see if it's worth your while if you want to go earn a degree really, really quickly. This is South College. They've been around for a while. They've got locations all over the country, but we're not looking for brick and mortar degrees. We are looking for competency-based education degrees. And essentially what that is prove to the school you've learned what you need to learn, and they will give you credit for the class. So you're skipping the crazy homework assignments and the teacher's lectures and all the stuff. If you don't need it, you skip it. So we're gonna go into their competency-based education programs. And let me show you something that's interesting. They are missing something that to some people is important, but they have something that to others is important that other schools don't have. Let me show you this. If we look at their programs offered that are self-paced and competency-based, they do not have any bachelor's programs as of right now, but they have some master's programs that are very unique. And they have doctorate degrees. Like, it is so hard to find universities with self-paced doctorate programs. This is fantastic news. This is amazing. They have an MS in IT. IT degrees aren't super hard to find. Education, master's degree in education, not super hard to find. An MBA, not super hard to find. An MA in ministry. Like, I have not found a competency-based master's degree in ministry anywhere. If you have, please let us know in the comments below. This is awesome. No other schools are doing things like this. Doctorate degrees. The only other school that I know of that has competency-based doctorate programs as of this recording is Capella. I'm not a huge fan of Capella. South College now has doctorate programs, which is awesome because I'd rather go to South College than Capella for a number of reasons for another time in another video. But they have a Doctor of Ministry, a DMIN. I've never even spelled out Doctor of Ministry, so I didn't know what the short was. They have a Doctor of Education, and they have a DBA, basically a Doctor of Business. I talked to them. I spoke to them today. Super friendly staff, by the way. They have a couple of new programs that are not on this list yet. They now have a master's degree in criminal justice that they've just added that's not on the list yet. And they have a doctorate degree in education. It's not quite a doctorate degree, but it's better than a master's degree. But it's actually kind of cool. Let me explain this. It's called an EDS. It's an education specialist. It's an education degree that's higher than a master's degree, but lower than a doctorate degree. And the thing that makes it lower is that you're not doing a dissertation in this program. So it's basically a doctorate degree minus the dissertation. So let's say you're in a situation where you got to go get a job. You need this higher education degree than a master's degree, but you don't have time to spend 6 months or a year on a dissertation. Can be kind of a bridge program to get you that job. You can come back and do your dissertation and get the basically Doctor of Education later. That's really cool. Now, the way this program is structured, or these programs are structured, these are mostly writing-based programs to my knowledge. So you're not testing out of classes with multiple choice exams. You're mostly writing essays, which is okay because you can still accelerate, you can still do it at your own pace. And there are writing tactics that really, really save you a lot of time. Here's the thing. Some schools, you write an essay, you get a failing grade, and guess what? You fail the class. This particular school, you write the essay. If you get a failing grade, they will grade your paper and help you do better on the next attempt. And you get to attempt again. If you get a passing grade on that attempt, your failing score gets erased and you pass the class, which is really cool. So they're structured to help students succeed. Now, word on the street, this is just from my research, and I know that I'm fairly accurate, but I don't know if it's 100% perfectly accurate. But let me tell you from my research what I know about this program. There was a guy. Let me show you who this guy is. Seems like a really cool guy. So I hope I'm giving credit to the right person if they see this video. If we go into their administration and faculty, we'll scroll down here. There is a person. This is His name is Dr. Michael Patrick. He is the president of the Competency Based Education Department for South College. To my knowledge, and I apologize if I'm wrong here, I did ask to clarify. I asked a member of the staff at the school. They confirmed this. To my knowledge, Dr. Michael Patrick used to work for Western Governors University and seems like a super ambitious person who wanted to have doctorate degrees, and it didn't happen. I don't know why. I don't know the whole backstory. But he came to South College, and it's been his mission to add hackable or accelerated or self-paced doctorate programs, competency-based doctorate programs, which is amazing because they are so hard to find, and we need that alternative that's not Capella. Props to you, whoever you are. I've never met you, but great job. Keep doing what you're doing because you're offering programs that make opportunities for self-paced degrees, which everyone who follows this channel or watches this channel genuinely appreciates. So that's kind of the backstory of South College. Now, my personal opinion, because these are kind of newer to me at least, I'm pretty sure they're pretty new programs. If you're looking for like an MBA, there are programs that I'm way more familiar with MBAs. I know you can go really, really quickly. So I would still like personally go to some other programs for an MBA just because I'm not familiar with these programs. Maybe in time there will be some history to prove that this is a better path. But let's say you want a doctorate degree. I'm already going to say, like personally, I would choose this school over Capella. I'm not a big fan of Capella. If you want a master's degree in like ministry, there are no other options. This is 100% the program that I would choose. So you've got unique offerings here. And I'm just super excited about this. I'm super excited to share it with you. So you've got South College offering self-paced programs where you're not sitting through teachers' lectures, listening to things that you've already learned. You can prove your knowledge, get the degrees faster. And I hope this video helps. Like and subscribe if this video has made your life better in any way or if it was interesting to you. Talk to you in the next video.